Hello, Anna. Thank you for your time.
Hello, Peter. We are always here to help. How can I assist you today?
Well, our freezers need to be maintained at -18 degrees Celsius, but each store has different controllers with their own settings. Adjusting them all feels like starting from square one every time. It's a real headache.
I understand your frustration, Peter. At EMD Retail, we're aware of that challenge. To help, we've developed a series of concise instruction videos. These videos are created using the actual manuals from various manufacturers, so they're both accurate and tailored to your needs.
That sounds good, but our staff is already stretched thin. They simply don't have time to watch long tutorials on adjusting freezer settings.
Well, our videos cut right to the chase. They explain step by step how to set the temperature range between -20 and -16 degrees. This gives you the perfect average of -18 degrees. Achieving the optimal temperature range maintains food safety, saves energy, and extends the lifespan of your compressors.
That sounds great, but how does it work? Our team needs to access these videos easily on the go.
We've made it incredibly user-friendly. When you have found the refrigeration unit you want to adjust, look for the QR code right next to the controller. Your staff just needs to turn the camera on and scan the code using a phone or tablet. An online interface and menu will show up on the screen. Then, they can quickly navigate the menu and select the appropriate video about adjusting the minimum and maximum temperature.
That's exactly what we need. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Peter. We're here to help.